All right, so I had just worked this problem with synthetic division. So I hope you watched that video, but this is the answer that you get when you're doing that. Okay, I'm going to show you how it works with long division just to show you that it does work. And you may want to practice this. I find most students don't really care too much. I'm not going to be a real stickler and make you do both ways. I just want you to be able to understand that we're getting the same value. So here's long division. If you have x plus 2 going into 3x to the fourth plus 9x to the third minus 4x squared minus 9x plus 9. So we have this. So what you want to do is, with long division, is you want to look at just your first two, or your first term here, 3x to the fourth, and put it over x. What you get is 3x to the third. Okay, so you get 3x to the third. Then you multiply 3x to the third times x. So you get 3x to the fourth. Then you have 3x to the third times 2, which is plus 6x to the third. And then you change the sign, so you subtract and now subtract. So now you have 3x to the third, and now you bring down your minus 4x squared. All right, so you do the same thing. You take this first term, divide it by x, and you have plus 3x squared. 3x squared times x is 3x to the third. 3x squared plus 2 is plus 6x squared. Now we switch the signs, and we now have negative 10x squared, and we're going to bring down minus 9. Notice that our coefficients here, this 3 and this negative 10 are right here. We have 3, 3, negative 10. So we have this 3, and anyway, it's kind of nice in that sense. You can start seeing the similarities. All right, so now to get this term, I've been doing it negative 10x squared divided by x, but you could think, what do I multiply by x to get negative 10x squared? So it's the same principle. You end up multiplying by negative 10x, and so we have negative 10x squared minus 20x. We switch the sign. We switch the sign. Very important to remember that. Do that with all long division. We always have to change the sign. So here we have 11x, and now I'm going to bring down my plus 9. Okay, now I have to multiply the x by an 11 to actually have 11x squared. 11x down here, excuse me. 11x plus 22, and now I'm going to switch the signs, and I have negative 13, and I'm done. So you can see where everything has worked perfectly. 3x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x plus 11 with your remainder of negative 13. Okay? Personally, I think synthetic division is much simpler. So we're just going to be sticking with that. But I hope